In today's video, we're going to show you how to update Microsoft Defender antivirus. We're going to also scan a file you downloaded, and we'll look at running a full virus scan. Microsoft Defender is a built-in antivirus to Windows that comes with every Windows machine. Now, the first thing we're going to do is do an update. So we're going to click this little arrow in our taskbar to bring up the extra icons. Now you should see a shield. So what you're going to do is double click that. Now Windows Security shows the security status of your computer, such as virus protection and things like firewalls. So we are going to go to virus and threat protection. Now you'll have to scroll down a little bit and look for virus and threat protection updates, and then click on protection updates. Now you want to keep this updated because antivirus vendors, they give updates that protect against the newest viruses out there. So we're going to check for updates right here. Now typically you don't have to do this manually because it'll update itself. We're just forcing the issue right now, just so you know that you can do this manually. Now, I've downloaded a file, so I'm going to go back to Microsoft Edge or whatever browser you're using. And if to look at your downloaded files, there should be a little arrow pointing down in your toolbar up top. Now this is going to give me access to this button right here, Open Downloads folder. So this is a direct way to get there. Most of the things you download will actually show up in the Downloads folder. So if you had opened File Explorer earlier, you can just click on Downloads as well. Now I'm going to right click this because I want to scan it before I try to open it. Now, in Windows 10, you'll see something like Scan with Microsoft Defender. But we're going to have to click an extra button to get there in Windows 11. So adjust accordingly. Now, I'm going to click on Show More Options, and then Scan with Microsoft Defender to scan this file for viruses. Now you can see it scanned it pretty quickly because we're just scanning one file and nothing was found. Now if you need to scan your whole computer, we'll go to those options so you can see how to scan your entire computer. Now I'm going to click on virus and threat protection. So if you had just opened Windows Security, you'd click on virus and threat protection, and you'll notice the default is just a quick scan. So we're going to click on scan options to see the different types of scans. Now quick scan scans common areas, what's currently running. Full scan checks your entire hard disk. Custom scan is similar to right-clicking, where you're just picking where you scan. And this last one is if you have something that seems to not be removed and you still have virus-like behavior on your machine, this is kind of your last resort to try to remove something that might be difficult for antivirus to remove. Now, the full scan is going to take a while. It could take more than 1 hour, depending on how many files you have. The quick scan will be, of course, quick. Now that I've clicked on full scan, the last part would be just clicking scan now and then waiting for it to finish.